So pretty much, I'm just gonna do kind of like an off-road test for y'all. I don't really know what else to do. Just wanted to kind of show y'all what it's capable of. And with the new spark plug, it's doing a lot better. The performance is better. I feel like you accelerate a little bit faster, and it doesn't bog down as much. So yeah, that's why Syx Moto. Let's hit some rocks down here. Oh my goodness. Let's hit a quick hill climb. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Dude, look at all those leaves that I just made like a rut in. So I'm just gonna ride around and test this thing out a bit. You know, this thing's not bad. You can definitely feel the bumps, but it's not super bad. Let's go down this little thing. Kind of bottomed out there. Look at how many rocks are in here. I mean, it ain't bad, dude. I filled up my rear tire a little bit, and that actually helped with it doesn't bottom out as much. And the suspension, you kind of bounce a little, it's good. Yeah, man, like I just went over a bunch of rocks right there, but that's good. Dude, there's my neighbors over there. They're probably like, what is this kid doing, you know? It's just Bataha and the Mini. Dude, this thing is surviving though. Look at this. It's not actually too bad. It kind of, my butt is definitely starting to hurt a little, but it's not bad, honestly. You can see my rear tire is filled up. The shock kind of bounces a little, which is good. Let's go back up through here. That was quite a little challenge. Because there's a bunch of leaves, and look at how many rocks. Oh, I just took a rock straight to something. I don't know to what. But y'all heard that little click? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's hit a big hill climb. Let's get up on the pond. I mean, it managed that, dude. If it can manage that, that's pretty good. Oh, there's my dog. Come here. Yeah. That's a good one. She wants that petting. You wanna play? She's running. Dude, just the power on this thing, the two-stroke power is great. Okay, this is gonna be a little sketchy, but we'll live. This is what I did for my first video. But I tell you what, let's take another challenge. Holy, dude. That might not look steep on camera, but dude, that is steep. This thing is amazing. After going down the hill, it maxes out on speed really fast. Dude, this thing, man, it passes the test. Easily passes. Sometimes you gotta get a little head start on the speed, but man, dude, if you can get enough speed to just get up, you'll be able to get up and go. I might even have another. Dude, oh my goodness. I was a little sketched out by that one, but dude, if I can make it up that one's even steeper than the other one. This thing is insane, guys. I just gotta tell you all that, man. It passes the off-roading test. If it can make it up that hill, dude. That don't look steep on camera, but trust me, dude. It's like, boom. Let's do it again. We almost didn't make it up that because we didn't have a lot of power, but let's go. Dude, this is kind of fun riding through all of this. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, we'll see y'all in the next one. This thing is too much fun. Bro, my butt kind of hurts though.